if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you...
Guys, pagi-pagi udah belanja sarapan lagi di 7-Eleven. Biasa onigiri kesukaannya kakak Jessie sama bunda nih. Grill salmon sama ini nih egg mayo sandwich, tapi rotinya beda, enak juga. Makanya beli nih, satu buat ayah, satu buat Jessie, yang normal buat bunda. Gitu guys. Kita mau sarapan dulu nih, sarapan dari 7-Eleven. Guys, pagi ini kita mau jalan-jalan di mana? Asakusa. Kebalik terus. Nih, keretanya udah datang. Yuk kita masuk ke dalam. Satu stasiun doang. Guys, kita mau jalan-jalan ke Sensō-Ji Temple. Nih di depan ada kanon Dori. Guys, depan kita Sensō-Ji Temple ya bun.
Dekat dari Asakusa Station.
Bunda tuh. Wow. Toko souvenir guys. Bun?
你呢度淨係呢度行翻嚟地鐵站，我哋要去淺草。應該。
後でなんか資料書くと
スイーツ食わないと近くとだけあるあれに
あ、そうじゃん。俺も食べ物ちょっとなんか食べたいってやばい。そうそう。
Iya dong.
Sorry, Yuki.
Guys, ada satu pohon yang
Udah mulai berbunga.
Iya,
Cherry blossom alias sakura. Cantik ya?
cakep.
Itu belum rimbun aja udah cantik.
Oke guys, kita jalan-jalan lagi. Tokinokane, Bell of Time, built in the 17th century pun.
Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just wanna be